In the case of vertical polarization, we mount the quartz crystal for low to high refractive index transmission. That is, the flat surface is facing towards the incident beam. Then we measure the reflected power PR for different incident angle at an interval of 10 degree. So, we start with the angle of incidence 10 degree. And the reflected power is 18. Next, we set the angle of incidence at 20 degree. And the reflected power is 21. Next, angle of incidence is 30 degree. And the reflected power is 22. Next, 40 degree incidence. Reflected power is 27. For 50 degree angle of incidence, the reflected power is 36. Now set the angle of incidence at 60 degree and the reflected power is 61. Next, for 70 degree, the reflected power is 128. Now 80 degree angle of incidence, the reflected power is 310. After that, we measure the same for high to low refractive index transmission also. For incident angle 10 degree, the reflected power is 19, and for 15 degree power is 20, for 20 degree power is 21, for 25 degree angle of incidence the power is 22, for 30 degree incidence power is 28, for 35 degree angle of incidence power is 46, for 40 degree power is 212, for 45 degree the power is 611, for 50 degree angle of incidence power is 623, for 55 degree power is 634, and for 60 degree angle of incidence power is 657. Then we set the polarizer for horizontal polarization and repeat the same experiment for low to high refractive index transmission and high to low refractive index transmission. The readings for low to high refractive index transmission are: the angle of incidence is 10 degree and the corresponding reflected power is 41, and for 15 degree the power is 38, and for 20 degree the power is 34, for 25 degree angle of incidence power is 40, for 30 degree angle of incidence power is 28, then for 35 degree power is 24, for 40 degree power is 19, for 45 degree power is 15, for 50 degree the reflected power is 9, and for 55 degree the power is 0, and for 60 degree angle of incidence the power is 10. Next, for the high to low refractive index transmissions, the readings are: the angle of incidence is 10 degree and the corresponding power is 15, and for incident angle 15 degree power is 20. For 20 degree, power is 26. For 25 degree, power is 27. For 30 degree angle of incidence, power is 28. For 35 degree, power is 30. For 40 degree angle of incidence, power is 47. For 45 degree, power is 894. For 50 degree, power is again 894. For 55 degree also, power is 894. At last for 60 degree, power is 894. From this value, you can calculate the reflectance and the corresponding transmittance value, and then you have to plot the graph between incident angle and normalized coefficients, that is the reflectance and the transmittance for horizontal and vertical polarization. From the graph, you have to measure the Brewster's angle also.